Mates, if you run a B2B support team, you probably know this scenario well. Hundreds of customer conversations flooding your support channels every day. Missed replies, duplicate responses, zero visibility into who is handling what. Many teams turn to legacy Zendesk, thinking it will solve everything. But then reality hits. Pricing increases as you scale. Zendesk's suite plans start around $55 per agent per month and go up to $115 or even $169 per agent per month. And AI capabilities often come as separate add-ons, like Copilot at around $50 per agent per month. Meanwhile, agents are still juggling between Zendesk, their inbox, Slack, and other apps just to handle a single customer issue. I'm Daniel, and today I want to show you Hiver, an AI customer service platform built specifically for B2B teams that want to escape this chaos. We will walk through how it delivers powerful features without the bloat, includes AI in every paid plan, and helps your team actually adopt the tool instead of fighting it. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Let's jump right in. Friends, Hiver is an AI-powered customer service platform built for small to mid-sized B2B teams. What sets it apart is the intuitive interface that requires zero training. Instead of forcing teams into rigid ticketing systems, it keeps the interface simple and easy to navigate while still adding structure and visibility. And the AI features are bundled into pricing plans, even the most basic ones starting at $25, rather than sold as expensive add-ons or charged per resolution. The platform brings email, live chat, Slack, WhatsApp, phone, and social channels into a unified workspace. Teams stop jumping between tools, and every conversation stays in one place with full context. That alone helps prevent missed messages and duplicate work. For example, if a customer message appears in Slack, it can be escalated directly into Hiver. The support team resolves the issue inside the help desk, and the response appears back in the original Slack thread. At a high level, the platform combines the simplicity teams love with the structure and automation of a modern help desk, with AI built directly into everyday support workflows. Now let's take a closer look at how everything actually works in practice. Guys, let's imagine a typical workday for a support team. Messages begin arriving early. Billing questions, onboarding requests, technical issues, sometimes frustrated customers when something doesn't work as expected. Instead of scattering across platforms and individual accounts, Hiver organizes everything into a unified team workspace that everyone can access. Setting this up is pretty quick. Once a workspace is set up, team members are invited and immediately gain visibility into all incoming conversations. No forwarding messages, no copying threads into Slack. Everyone works from the same place. Inside the workspace, conversations are organized into several clear views. Mine displays the tickets you're responsible for. Unassigned shows new requests waiting to be picked up. Team gives visibility into what other teammates are handling. Pending tracks conversations waiting for a reply or follow-up, and closed stores resolved messages. Now, mates, let's open a conversation and see what happens inside. The first thing you'll notice is how easy it is to assign ownership. A message can be assigned to yourself or to another teammate in just a couple of clicks. And here's the thing, when several agents are looking at the same conversation, shared visibility helps prevent duplicate replies. So you don't get that awkward situation where two people answer the same customer at the same time. One of Hiver's key collaboration features is that the entire conversation stays in one thread. In many customer support tools like Zendesk, moving a request between teams often means creating separate tickets or losing context. With Hiver, teams can loop in product, engineering, or finance directly within the same ticket, so everyone collaborates without breaking the conversation flow. Next, there are tags. Tags help categorize conversations by topic, urgency, or department. For example, you might add a tag, something like urgent, and choose a color to make it easier to spot later. Friends, another useful feature here is internal notes. Let's say a support agent needs help from a colleague. Instead of forwarding emails or switching to Slack, they can simply leave an internal comment inside the conversation. Teammates can be mentioned, discussions stay attached to the ticket, and customers never see those internal messages. And once the message is handled, you can change its status. For example, move it to pending if you're waiting for more information, or close the conversation once the issue is resolved. Now think about how often support teams answer the same questions. Billing clarifications, onboarding steps, subscription updates. These topics repeat constantly. Templates handle that problem. Instead of rewriting the same responses, agents can insert prepared replies and adjust them when needed. It saves time while keeping communication consistent. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. But the real power comes from AI assistants. Inside any conversation, agents click Ask AI. A chat opens where you can ask questions about the email, draft a reply, or summarize the conversation. Ask AI pulls information from connected knowledge sources, such as your knowledge base, internal documents, snippets created by your team, or tools like Notion. This allows agents to quickly find accurate information and understand how to respond without leaving the conversation. Mates, if you click Draft a reply, the AI analyzes the email and suggests a couple of ways to respond. For example, if someone complains about being charged twice, you might see options such as acknowledging the issue, requesting details, investigating billing, or escalating to the team. You can pick one of them or combine several options. The AI writes a professional response in seconds. Hiver also includes an AI-suggested responses feature. When the system detects a common query pattern, it automatically generates a ready-to-use reply based on similar responses your team has used before. Agents can review the draft, make quick edits if needed, and insert it into the conversation with one click. Folks, once generated, you can ask to adjust the tone to sound more formal or informal, or refine it using your knowledge base. Click Insert, and the text pastes into your email. Before sending, you can use AI Compose to fix grammar, change tone to empathetic or professional, or adjust length, all without leaving the interface. The AI Summarizer handles long threads. Click it, and you get a short summary of what already happened. You can save this as a note for your team. The agent relies on external knowledge sources. You can upload custom documents or connect platforms like Notion from the admin panel. The system references them while generating replies, keeping responses accurate. Mates, AI tagging categorizes incoming messages automatically. You create a tag, apply it to at least 10 conversations manually, and the system learns the pattern. From then on, it applies tags automatically to matching messages. Sentiment analysis flags frustrated customers. You enable it, choose between a 3-point or 5-point scale, and the AI assigns sentiment to each email. You immediately see which messages need attention first. For customer-facing AI, you can deploy a bot inside chat, configure it by giving it a name and avatar, connect knowledge sources so it can answer common questions instantly. You customize the chat widget design, set up pre-chat forms, and configure flows that start after users fill them out. Friends, let's move on to automation. Round-robin assignment distributes incoming messages evenly across the team. The system notifies you when emails get auto-assigned. Next, aliases. These let your team send from different branded email addresses while working from the same interface. Custom fields help organize conversations. I'll create a drop-down field for product type with values like hardware, software, and service. You can also set a default value or leave it empty. Then I create a date field for something like contract renewal. Just like that, your custom fields are ready. Guys, the automation section has a templates library with ready-made workflows. Assign and tag conversations, send automated replies. Creating your own automation is simple. Set a trigger like when a new conversation is received. Add a condition such as if the email contains a specific keyword or domain. Then define the action, assign to someone. Save and enable, and the automation runs automatically. SLA policies set deadlines. Create a policy for enterprise customer support. Apply it to conversations with specific tags. I'll set a first response goal of 30 minutes and a resolution within 4 hours. Choose who to notify when deadlines approach and add SLA due soon alerts. Next, folks, customer satisfaction surveys gather feedback automatically. Enable CSAT, set conditions like sending after conversations close, and customize the form. The system sends surveys and tracks results. The knowledge base lets you create internal docs for agents or public help centers for customers. You set it up, customize branding, add articles, and organize them into categories. Customers search for answers before contacting support. Integrations connect with tools like Asana, Jira, and HubSpot, keeping support conversations connected to projects, engineering tickets, and CRM data. Browse the marketplace, select an integration, and set it up. And if a specific integration isn't available, developers can build custom workflows through the Hiver API. Mates, once everything is running, managers naturally want to understand how the support team performs. The analytics dashboard tracks metrics such as conversation volume, response time, resolution time, and agent activity. Visual reports make trends and bottlenecks easier to spot, while custom dashboards allow teams to monitor metrics like SLA compliance or customer satisfaction. Before wrapping up, it's worth mentioning pricing. Hiver keeps its plans relatively straightforward. The popular growth plan starts at around $25 per user per month annually, while the Pro plan starts at about $55 per month. Even at these tiers, many AI capabilities are already included, features that other platforms often charge separately for. Zendesk, for comparison, typically starts at around $55 per user and rises significantly on higher tiers. For growing support teams, that difference can quickly add up. Okay, folks, let's wrap it up. What stands out is how Hiver removes the friction that comes with traditional help desk software. You get powerful automation, AI that actually delivers results, and an interface your team can start using immediately. Companies switching from Zendesk have reported efficiency increases of 250% and time savings of 23 hours per month by cutting noise and reducing duplicate work. Friends, if your team is outgrowing basic email-based support setups, but you want to avoid the complexity and cost of legacy help desks, Hiver hits a sweet spot. It scales with your business without forcing you into rigid workflows or burning your budget, so try it out yourselves. Feel free to check out my referral link in the description below. You might find some discounts there. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and till next time.